Good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question 40. An AC generator can be converted into a DC electric motor by replacing the A. Slip rings with a split ring and connecting a battery, B. Split ring with a slip ring and connecting a battery, C. AC with DC source and connecting slip rings, and D. AC with DC source and connecting split rings. So the question is asking us that for an AC generator to be converted to a DC electric motor, the following things has to be put in place. Now, an electric motor is an electric device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. That's an electric motor. Now this electric motor has various parts. One of the parts which is very important is the armature. It has an armature. It has a powerful magnet that produces the powerful magnetic field, a commutator consisting of split rings, and then it has two carbon brushes. Now, an AC generator, alternating current generator, is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, just the opposite of a DC electric motor. Now this AC generator has what we call the slip rings. It consists of the slip rings. Now in converting an AC generator to a DC electric motor, these slip rings has to be replaced with a split ring. Remember, I said an electric motor is made up of split rings. That is, the commutator of an electric motor is made up of split rings. So therefore you have to replace these slip rings with the split rings. This is the only difference between this generator and the electric motor, and also replacing the alternating current with a direct current. That is, replacing the AC current with a direct current. So these are the two major things required for the conversion of a AC generator to an electric motor. So therefore the answer to this question is option D. That is, the AC source will be replaced with a DC source, and then the slip rings will be replaced with a split ring, which is a component of an electric motor. So option D is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.